What's going on, guys? This is Sam, and today Apple released iOS 11.4.1 Beta 1 to developers. Super long name, and as I looked around, I did not find anything new. This is a really random release. We just saw iOS 11.4 yesterday, and that was a bigger update that had messages in iCloud, AirPlay 2, ClassKit, a new wallpaper, and a couple of other minor changes and some really great fixes as well. So if you missed that video, check up in the top right-hand corner of the screen. But even in the release notes for iOS 11.4.1, Apple has not indicated that anything at all has changed. And I'm not sure if what I'm about to talk about is a placebo effect, but I've noticed that the animations on the iPhone 10 do feel a little bit snappier, and this could be a placebo effect. It could be my brain trying to make sense of an update without any changes, but on my iPhone 10, iOS 11.4.1 does feel really great. But that being said, iOS 11.3 has been great for me, iOS 11.3.1, iOS 11.4 has been really great on my iPhone 10, on my iPad. I think Apple's done a really great job in the later stages of developing iOS 11 to make it decent, or at least pretty good for most people, because there's no question that it definitely started out a little bit rough near the beginning of the year. Before today, I thought that iOS 11.4 was going to be the final iOS 11 update before we see iOS 12 Beta 1, but today we got 11.4.1, and it's weird how no one knows what changed. No other YouTubers, Apple has not confirmed what's changed. We really have nothing in this update, which is just super strange because usually we have a hint, an inkling of what might be coming or changing in an update, and that's just not true now. We literally have no idea why Apple's releasing this, and we could theorize about it all day. Maybe a new device coming, maybe to refine things for older phones or older tablets, but we don't know just yet. I did run a Geekbench test to see how the performance was on 11.4.1 Beta 1 on the iPhone 10. Got 4257 for the single core score and 10,440 for the multi-core score. So both of those are pretty good, around what I was getting on iOS 11.4, so I don't think there's any definitive performance improvements with 11.4.1. iOS 11.4.1 will probably not introduce any new features, or maybe only one or two at the very most, but as of right now, we're just not seeing anything. So if you enjoyed the video, if you learned something new, feel free to drop a like down below. That would be incredible. And of course, hit subscribe for more videos on iOS and iOS 12 specifically in the future. If you want to help support the channel, you can head over to patreon.com/update. Donate there. Your support has been amazing so far. Or you can go over to shop.iupdateos.com and buy a shirt there. For now, I've been Sam. I hope all of you are doing great, and I'll talk to you in my next video.